Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to wish Happy Louis Braille Day for all my visually impaired friends. So, and also Happy New Year to everyone. So, guys, today I have came up with the interesting application which is very useful for visually impaired people. So without any delay, let's get into a video. Uh, what is that interesting application and all that we will see in this video today. Hope this information will be useful for you all. So let's start the video. Hope guys, let me ask you a question. How do you get a description of your screen? What is there on the screen? What icons are there on the screen? How do you get a description of those situations? And how do you get a description of your images if any images are there in your computer? So today we will see how we can able to identify what is there in our screen and how do we get a description of any images, and also how do we get a description of ourselves, how we are sitting and all. Like many of you are working from home, you're supposed to be joined for the meeting where you have to go on a video call. So before going to the video call, you can get ready how you're facing, where you're sitting, what is your background, and all that description, how you can get that information. So today we will see in this video. So guys, today I'm going to show you all Be My Eyes. So hope you all are using Be My Eyes in your mobiles. And today let us see how do we use Be My Eyes in computer and what are the options are there in that uh, Windows application and how it is working. So let me start demo for you all. So
Desktop list.
now to open Be My Eyes, I'm going to the start menu by pressing Windows key.
Start window. Search box. Edit. Search for apps. Settings and documents blank.
Here I'm pressing like typing Be My Eyes.
Be my eyes app. Press right to switch. Preview
So
1 of 1 level 1.
as soon as I press B, I got a results like Be My Eyes is appeared here. So I use frequently. That's what the it is appearing very fast. So I'm just pressing enter on this to open the Be My Eyes.
Be my eyes. Be my eyes window. Continue with email button.
So to download the Be My Eyes, you have to go to the Microsoft Store, and in the Microsoft Store, you can search Be My Eyes, BEB, My 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 EYES, Be My Eyes. Then, if you type this in the search edit box, and below only you will get a search results. Click on Be My Eyes and use tab. You will get a button called Get button. Click on the Get button. It will be installed to your computer. So I have already installed from the Microsoft Store. So I'll start with the how you can log in. What are the ways to log in to the Be My Eyes? So the first option
Continue
only,
with email button.
continue with email. So if you have any Microsoft account or any other account you want to uh, enter and you want to log in, create account, you can use this continue with email.
Continue with Google button.
Again, we have a continue with Google. I'll show you how it is going to work. Again, you have
Continue with Apple button.
continue with Apple. If you are if you have any Apple ID or if you are using this in a Apple device like Mac and all, you can use this option.
Continue with Facebook button.
Continue with Facebook by entering the Facebook ID and all. You can log into this Be My Eyes.
Continue with email button.
Continue with email again. So today I'm going to use here continue with the Google. So I'm going to sign in with the Google. Let us see how it is going to work.
Continue with Google button.
So I'm pressing enter on the continue with the Google.
To continue signing in with Google, your browser will open dialog. OK button.
So it's saying that to continue with Google, the Be My Eyes is going to open a browser. So I'm pressing enter on OK button.
Continue with Google back button. Untitled Google Chrome Rajesh app.bemeyeyes.com/desktop handler Google.
Here I have already signed in with my ID in Google Chrome. So that's what, without asking any ID and all, it is going to directly login page. So if you're not signed in your ID in a Google Chrome, it will ask you to enter your email ID, password, and all for all the process. So I'm using tab here to click on the open button.
Always allow app.bemeyeyes.com to open links of this type in the associated app checkbox not checked.
So always allow Be My Eyes to open this kind of links. The checkbox is there. If you want to check this checkbox, you can check it. I'm not going to check this checkbox. I'm going to click on next button.
Open Be My Eyes button 1 of 2.
I'm going to click on open Be My Eyes button.
Space Be My Eyes window back button.
So
describe my screen left parent keyboard shortcut Alt plus Control plus H right parent button.
So I have logged into a Be My Eyes now. Let us see first what are the options are there, and after that we'll see one by one how it is going to help us. So the first option on
Take picture. Describe my screen left parent keyboard shortcut Alt plus Control plus H right parent button.
The first option is describe my screen. So if you want to describe your scene, for example, if you have opened any image, if you want to get a description of that image, you can use this. For example, if you have opened any word which is having logos and all, if you want to get a description of that, you can use this option. I'll show how you can use those options. Yeah. I'm going to press tab here to go to the next option.
Take picture using built-in camera left parent keyboard shortcut Alt plus Control plus J right parent button.
Take picture using built-in camera. So this is to take picture of yourself and get a description of your how you are sitting and all. This is going to be useful, and I hope you all are observing. At the end, it is also saying the what is a command for to use those options without pressing tab and all. You can directly use those commands also to use that options. So again, I'm pressing tab here to go to the next option.
Describe picture from File Explorer left parent keyboard shortcut Alt plus Control plus K right parent button.
Describe picture from the File Explorer. If you have any images which is already captured, if you want to see that photos, you want to get a description of that images, you can use this option. I'll show that how we can use that. Again, I'm pressing tab to go to the next option.
Describe clipboard left parent keyboard shortcut Alt plus Control plus L right parent button.
Describe clipboard. If you have copied anything from somewhere, if you want to hear a description of that copied item and all, you can use this.
Be My Eyes tab selected 1 of 2 level 1.
Here we have two tabs in Be My Eyes. Usually one is Be My Eyes tab and another I'm pressing just right arrow here.
Settings tab 2 of 2 level 1.
Settings tab. So in the settings you have account and sounds option and logout and all that options are there. Let's see later about that. I'm pressing right left arrow again.
Be My Eye tab selected 1 of 2 level 1.
Be My Eye tab is selected. Let's see one by one options how it is going to help us. So I'm pressing tab again from here.
Describe my screen left parent keyboard shortcut Alt plus Control plus H right parent button.
So there's option called describe my screen. So if I press enter here, the screen reader or the Be My Eyes will describe my screen for me. I'm pressing enter on this.
Be My Eyes tab selected 1 of 2 level 1. Please wait. Be My Eyes writing a message. The image shows a web page with a message that says quote finish signing in quote below this. There is an instruction colon. Quote press the button below to finish signing in and return to the app. Quote there is a blue button labeled quote return to app quote at the top. There is a green notification indicating quote you are screen sharing. Quote with an option to quote stop share quote in red.
So describe my screen. I have opened Google Chrome. What is there on the Google Chrome? What buttons it is, and what another application is also open and described. If you want to hear again, you have to press tab.
Back button.
Back button again tab.
Be My Eyes tab selected 1 of 2 level 1.
Again tab.
List your image 1 of 2.
Your image. It says press down arrow from here.
The image shows a web page with a message that says quote finish signing in quote below this. There is an instruction colon. Quote press the button below to finish signing in and return to the app.
This is a description of screen. So if I press tab again, I'll get a edit box here.
Question to ask the AI edit blank.
Question to ask AI. So if you want to ask any question, what is there on the left side of the screen? What is there on the right side of the screen? Or how many buttons are there in the screen? That questions you can ask and it will answer. So I'm going to press tab again.
Back button.
I'm pressing enter on the back button to go back to the home page.
Describe my screen left paren keyboard shortcut alt.
So we have seen describe my scene. So I'm pressing tab again to go to the next option.
Take picture using built-in camera left paren keyboard shortcut alt plus control plus J right paren button.
So this is take picture using built-in camera. So if I can take my I can take my picture and show you how it is going to be described.
Describe take picture using built-in camera.
Pressing enter on this.
Be My camera window. Take photo button 1 of 1. Use the up and down.
Here you will be the option here.
HDR off button.
HDR.
Change camera button.
Change camera. Inbuilt or webcam. Additional cameras also you can connect.
Take photo button 1 of 1. Use the up and down arrow keys to switch between camera modes.
I'm pressing enter on the take picture button.
Picture captured. List photo 1 of 1.
Picture capture. So if I want to get a description of captured picture, I'm using tab here.
Retake button.
Retake button is there. If you want to take it again, retake, that you can use this retake button. Again, I'm pressing tab from here.
Accept button.
Accept button. So I'm pressing enter on the accept button. Let's see how the Be My Eyes will describe myself.
Be My Eyes window. Be My Eyes tab selected 1 of 2 level. Please wait. Be My Eyes writing a message. The image shows a person with short dark hair, wearing a light blue and white checkered shirt. They are sitting indoors in a room with light ash-colored walls. Behind them, there is a doorway leading to another room, where shelves with various items can be seen. There is also a poster or chart on the wall behind the person. The lighting in the room is moderate, and the person appears to be looking slightly downward with a neutral expression.
So it described myself. If I want to hear again description of myself, I'm pressing tab from here.
Back button.
Back again tab.
Be My Eye tab selected 1 of 2 level 1.
Be My Eye tab again tab.
List your image 1 of 2.
Your image it says. So I'm pressing down arrow here to hear the description again.
The image shows a person with short dark hair, wearing a light blue and white checkered shirt. They are sitting indoors in a room with light ash-colored walls. Behind them, there is a doorway leading to another room, where shelves with various items can be seen. There is also a poster or chart on the wall behind the person. The lighting in the room is moderate, and the person appears to be looking slightly downward with a neutral expression. 2 of 2.
So this is about the description. Again, I'm pressing a tab.
Question to ask the AI edit blank.
Here there is an option, question to ask a AI. If you want to ask any question, you can write. I can write here what is
WHAT what space IS is space THERE there space on space MY my space LEFT left space SIDE.
What is there on my left side? I have typed here. I'll just press enter. It will give me an answer.
Please wait. Be My Eye is writing a message. On your left side, there is a doorway leading to another room. Inside that room, there are shelves with various items on them. The shelves appear to contain household items or containers.
So on my left side, there's a doorway to the kitchen. That kitchen, some part, the computer camera can see. It is describing that also. So this is the way you can get a description of yourself, and you can use for that purpose. Again, I'm pressing tab to go back to the next option.
Back button.
I'm clicking on the next back button.
Describe my screen left parent keyboard.
So we have seen describe my scene. Again, I'm pressing tab here.
Take picture using built-in camera left parent keyboard shortcut Alt plus Control plus J right. Describe picture from File Explorer left parent keyboard short.
So now we will see describe picture from the file explorer. So I'm pressing enter on this.
Be my open dialog file name colon file name.
I'm just going to the tree view and I'll select my local disk by pressing shift tab.
Items on and photo not tree view level 2 local disk left parent colon. Local disk left parent colon right parent collapsed 1 of 1 level 2.
Local disk E.
Local disk left parent colon right.
Enter. Again, I'm pressing
Items
tab.
view list on and.
Here I'm pressing B to go to the directly that file.
Be my eyes 20 of 20.
So I just renamed it to Be My Eyes, that one picture. Again, I'm pressing tab. It got selected.
Name split button collapsed. File name colon. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N selected. Be my eyes.
Be My Eyes, the file name it is showing, which I selected. Again, I'm pressing tab.
Files of type colon. Com open button Alt plus O.
I'm pressing enter on the open button.
Be my eyes window. Be my eye tab selected 1 of 2 level. Please wait. Be my eyes writing a message.
Be My Eyes writing message now.
The image shows a group of people on a stage, with a man seated in the center. He is being honored with a shawl draped over his shoulders by 2 men standing beside him. The group consists of 7 men, some in white robes, possibly priests, and others in casual or formal attire. The background features a banner with logos and text, indicating that this is likely a formal event or ceremony. The stage has a marble floor, and the ceiling has a modern design with circular lights and red panels.
So this is the description of what the image I uploaded. If I want to here again, I have to I have to press tab and I have to go to the near that image.
Back button. Be my item selected. List your image 1 of 2.
Your image, that's option. From here, if I press down arrow, I can able to read that description again. So if I press tab from here again.
Question to ask the AI edit blank.
Question to ask AI. So if you want to ask any question related to that image, like I will ask one question.
HOW space MANY many space MEMBERS members space ARER space THERE space IN space TAE the space IMAGE.
How many members are there in the image? That question I have had written here. I'll just press enter to process. Then the AI will give me an answer.
Please wait. Be my eyes writing a message. There are 8 people visible in the image.
There are 8 people visible in the image. So like this, you can ask another questions also. Pressing tab to go to the next option.
Back button.
Clicking enter on the back button to go back to the home page.
Describe my screen left parent keyboard.
So now we have seen 3 options. One is describe scene, describe
take picture using
take picture of yours and get description. That is the second option. And
describe picture from
the file explorer. So another 2 options are there.
Describe clipboard left parent key.
Describe clipboard. So the last option is a describe clipboard. I request you also go and explore, install this application and explore yourself how it is going to help, and do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so guys, I hope you all find useful about this application. If anything is missing or any kind of videos, if you are want to do, just do let me know in the comment section. And I request all the viewers to subscribe to our channel and do like and share it with your friends. So I'll come back with the another interesting application. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Finish signing in. Screen sharing meeting.